It is obvious that in order to succeed in photography and videography, we need to know about the tools used in this field. So today we are going to talk about the main tool, the camera. I hope you enjoyed watching the previous video, and to be honest with you, there are plenty of people who try to explain all this, each one with his style and his method. And I'm here to re-explain everything with the simplest way possible. After we saw how camera has been invented and developed through stages, now we need to know how it functions. So the camera is composed of different electronic components. First, we have the motherboard that is responsible of gathering data and information from the different electronic parts to proceed them with a microprocessor. For instance, we have for Canon product the DGEC processor, and for Nikon we have XSpeed. Nowadays, companies are trying to develop their microprocessors because they are responsible of processing images, especially for high ISO and low light conditions. And I'm going to explain this later. Then we have the viewfinder that allows us to see what we are going to capture. For DSLRs, there are two types of viewfinders. There are punter prism and pentamirror. The pentamirror is composed of different mirror parts, and the pentaprism is slightly brighter than the pentamirror. And for mirrorless cameras, we have an electronic viewfinder. Then we have the shutter that opens and closes in different speeds to allow the light coming through the lens toward the image sensor. And again, for DSLRs, we have mechanic shutter, and for mirrorless, we have an electronic shutter. Now we come to the image sensor that is basically the most important part in the camera. It is composed of pixels, and each pixels have three layers: the red, green, blue, so RGB. The image sensor works as following. When the shutter is released, the light enters through the lens to the image sensor. The primary color filter is arranged above the sensor, so each pixel corresponds to one of RGB colors, red or green or blue. Then the image sensor generates an electronic signal represents the brightness of each color. The image data are now converted into high-speed digital signals by reading each pixel line in a form of channel, then preceded by the image sensor that then records them on a memory card. This is how camera functions. So at the end, if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Peace.